So I got this little cute little canister thing from Goodwill. It was $2.99. Never been used. I grabbed this little festive little thingamajig for 99 cents. Got this little set of tea lights, $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. And then I got this one, this little pail. I think it was like $3, $3.99 from Goodwill. And it has a little hole area in there. So I was going to put tea light in that one as well. And just hang these on my porch. Let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is cut this tag off. Get all these little sticky little tags off. And this project is only going to take me no more than 3 minutes to do.